are going to you?
I always wonder what's happening to you.
Okay. And I know it's hard for me. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me. And I always wonder.
What's happening to you?
Garbage. I always wonder. Always wonder of.
And I always wonder how you're doing.
I always wonder how
You're doing.
how you're doing.
And I always wonder how you're doing.
Doing right now. Hindi. Ngayon. Doing now.
Every now and then.
Every now and then. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me. I always wonder how you're doing every now and then.
Every now and then, parang
Oh, and always
Lagi.
wonder what you're
how you're doing.
and always wonder
Parang how you doing.
how you're doing every now and then. Okay. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me, and I always wonder how you're doing every now and then. Yeah. Yun na lang. 1, 2, 3. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me, and I always wonder how you're doing every now and then. Na 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 na. Lapit na. Every now and then. Ganda.
Ang ganda mo.
Every now and then. And I'm imagining the past. Oh, that we have now. Ano? Wait lang.
Namiss ka rin ni Ate Elise.
Not away from me, and always wonder how you're doing every now and then. Na 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 yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me, and I always wonder how you're doing every now and then. Tapos ito naman. Every day and every night, always think about na letting you. Yeah. Malapit na. Ano yung every day and every night?
Every day and every night. You're always on my mind.
1, 2, 3. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me, and I always wonder how you're doing every now and then, every day and every night. Oh, you're always in my mind. And imagining the memories we have, and always, ano yung sensation, paano yun?
Parang inaalala mo yun.
Oo, inaalala. Sige ko. And always go back to,
Reminisce. Reminiscing. Ano yung sinabi na?
Reminiscing.
You're
Sige,
always every day and every night.
you're always in my mind. And reminiscing.
Wait lang, yung ano mo na, yun yung pakatapos?
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me, and I always wonder how you're doing every now and then, every night, every day and every night. You're always in my mind. Every day and every night, you're always in my mind.
Hindi.
I
Walang
reminisce
remembering going over.
all the times.
Pwede wala ng I.
Oo, reminiscing.
Reminiscing. Ano yun?
Reminiscing all the memories we had.
Reminiscing all the memories we had.
Reminiscing?
Reminiscing. Oh, yung
Reminiscing.
Reminiscing.
Sabihin, savoring. Parang, ninanamnam. Iniipon.
Reminiscing. Reminiscing.
Reminiscing.
Savoring is reminiscing.
All the memories we have.
We had.
I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me. And always wonder how you do be. Every now and then, every day and every night, you're always in my mind. Reminiscing all the memories. Reminiscing all. Reminiscing all the memories we had. Wait, parang
Ulit yun again.
tama na yun, okay. And reminiscing all the memories we had.
Or every memory we have.
Every memory we had. Saan mas maganda natin? Reminiscing all the memories or reminiscing all every memories?
Every memory we have. Pareho lang naman.
All na lang kasi may every na.
Redundant ko.
All the memories or memory? Memories we had.
Wait lang ha. Isipin ko kung had or have. Have pala.
Have. I know it's hard for me to think that you are far away from me. And I always wonder how you're doing. Every now and then, every day and every night, you're always in my mind. Reminiscing all the memories we had.
Ang pangit ko mag-convention doon.
Tapos na.
Tempo.
Thank you. Matatapos na yung school. I know it's hard for me to think that you're far away from me. And I just wonder how you do it. Every now and then. Every now, everything, every night. Always in my mind.
Tama, mas maganda ako. Kaya nga, nabukuntos yung mga kong pangit na itsura. Sige, teka lang. Si Mai, thank you. Si Mai, may pagkain na.
Doon lang ako ha.
Oo.
Thank you, Skat!
Kain na. Kain na daw. Sino shorts mo? Ang damit mo, Pit. Sobrang nipis. Parang ano ka. Tingnan mo kaya. Tingnan mo.
May panoob ako, balik.
Parang...
Yung makita ko. Kita yan mamaya.
Wala ako ulit mo. Ha?
Kasama ka sa workout ni Nico.
Kain lang. Yung, Edward.
Are you working out too, Edward? Kain na. Sabon eh. Ano kayo ko?
Ikaw kakain?
Go, go. Di ba daw tapos yung kanin?
Sige. Subo
Ah,
ako.
gutom kuya eh. Gutom ka na?
Subo lang ako.
Gutom ka na.
Hindi, para naman. May energy lang.
Bakit? Bukas.
Atas.
Si Jin eh.
Baka. Sige, pahinga na kayo.
I'll stay here. Lamig. I watch.
Diyos ko. Kumain ka na. Oh,
Kain na. Mas gusto ko yung maliliit na plato. Sa labas. Maliliit. Gaan lang. Sa akin din, gusto ko yung luto ng kanin.
Ay, napakasarap yan. May isang pirasong galunggong yan. Hinimay ko mabuti yun.
oh. Isang piraso?
Nakita ko isang pirasong galunggong sa freezer. Sabi ko, ano?
Oo, ano, ito.
Aamoy namin. Aamoy namin. Tumayo ko nga.
Kult Nico. Wala kang sumpong ngayon, ha? Wala kang sumpong ngayon, ha? Masaya ka ngayon, ha? Mamaya, tiga mo. Oh?
Yung po natin yan.
Kasi nga, ginamit niya yan.
Oh.
Opo.
Ayan.
Ba't tayo nila kumain?
Damit kami.
Dito na lang na kaya. Napareho lang kayo. Sinusumpong.
Joke. Chinrate na.
Jenny, let's eat.
Bus ka damit?
Hindi nga eh. Pareho naman.
Ay, para.
There's galunggong in this daw.
Sarap.
Ito, sili.
Saan ka ako sa usawan mo gana?
Ha?
Kamagawa ako sa usawan?
Hindi. Sabaw na. Bakit?
Wala lang.
Walang lasa?
Hindi naman. Wala sa mga.
Lalagay ko dito. Suka pa din. Sino ba to?
Ha? Sili. pasok.
No, it's depressing. I have to pack every single day. Oh, really? Yeah.
Masakit siya muna. Naggatas ka agad. Wala pa laman.
Ganun ba yun? Iniinom ang gatas sa umaga eh.
Ha?
Iniinom talaga ang gatas sa umaga. Mga bata.
Di ba gabi?
Saan si Rico? Hindi pa siya kakain? What's wrong? No one wants to eat yet. Is there vinegar in that? Yeah. May half. Did you just start eating vinegar here inside the house? Or you like it talaga?
Apple vinegar.
Apple vinegar? Ah. You use it straight up or you mix something? It's so strong.
Or sometimes there's a vinegar drink. Good, it's spicy. Oo, pero masarap.
Thank you, Nico. Thank you. Sobrang sarap. Sarap.
Salamat.
I'm gonna try to eat the chili.
Okay, ito yung t-shirt mo. Pero
Ay, ba lang?
Naka ng t-shirt na. Nawala ng dalawa. Huwasan pa.
Okay lang. Kayong ate.
Ha?
Kayong.
Pahiramin nga kita.
Diyos ko. Ito mag t-shirt. Wala kang yung t-shirt.
Ah, it was cooking pot.
Ano?
rice.
Ikaw yung mag t-shirt.
May rice na.
Ganyan talaga yan. Style yan.
Ilaw pa ba? Kumuha kayo? Ilaw?
Hindi naman ganun kahilaw. Ready na siya. Like, 3 minutes ago lang.
Nagising ba sila, Edward? Lagyan kumain.
Kumain daw sila.
Pagod. So, magpahinga ka muna.
Okay lang.
Mag-workout ka ba? Huwag na.
Tulog ka lang.
Hindi. Samahan mo na lang ako.
Nagluyo pa rin. Ha?
Kaya mo pa kumain?
Kakain. Sarap.
Sa labas na kumakain ka, di ba?
Upo. Jam, hindi ka kumakain ng kalabasa?
Why? Nambalik kasi para di ko.
Hindi ko kumakain mo yun?
Bakit nakatapos?
Bakit?
Only closer.
Kuya Tans, you eat.
Kumusta ka, Mai? Kumusta ka?
Kaya, bago nung 3 days, parang 3 years na din. Bakit ang tagal, no? Kasi naghihintay tayo ng oras. Ah! Skirt! Yo! Siyo!
Babawi ng tulog.
Bawi kay tulog!
I have like an endless
Kain mo!
inside my stomach.
Always good.
Wala tayo.
We were outside.
Why is it?
Our rice cooker was so nice. I was going back for rice 3 times.
Our rice cooker was really bad. I like how
I
it
was eating
cooked.
like 3 bowls of rice in one sitting.
I like how it cooked. It wasn't cooked fully. I had to cook it again and again. But it was like separate. It's not, you like dry. Yeah, dry.
Oh, I like it like that. It's not bad. That's why I exercise this morning. I was really just everyday eating just rice, bowls of it.
Rice and
Soy sauce. And then you're like three things in one sitting.
vinegar and
Yeah, that's what I'm eating with my rice. Like,
I'm gonna eat chips.
I'll join you.
What do you want?
Well, you can have your food and I can have something else. so much. Deeply missing coffee. It's my snack of choice. It's okay. You're rinsing now.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'll wash it and then I'll let you rinse it. You know what?
No, thank you.
naman. Kain ka
Teka
pa.
natin. Kasi, ito yung nilalagay ko para sa akin, pero sa iyo.
Sarap. Sobrang sarap. Pinag ako dito. Ano ba yun?
Feels like Friday.
Was it Thursday?
Thursday.
Thursday today.
Dali lang yung araw. Kapag
Monday pa lang.
Parang walang Valentine's na yan. Araw ng mga puso.
Anong kinain mo? Ay, hotdog.
Ano din?
We don't have any more hot dogs today.
Sabi ko nga,
I don't know actually.
hindi pa namin alam yung kasi
If we
natin
finish
kumain
3
kayo.
kilos of
Ngayon,
hot
tayo kumain
days,
kasi
then because
tayo natin yung cake. Hintay ko ulit.
pretty sure we did.
Tapos sabi ko, kain na tayo ng
For sure we did.
konti. Kasi sinusuportado siya na talagang may cake.
Because we split them up when we went outside.
Kunti lang. Kunti lang yung kinakain namin. Tapos ano talaga, tapos meron talaga.
Tama kaya mo lagi.
Galing mo.
Tama ka lagi sa kasama.
Galing mo ito yung ganun. Tapos diba?
Hindi. Kami lahat.
Hindi. Kami lahat. Kaya nag-feel ko na ano may cake.
Kasi lagi pag sinabi mo talaga totoo. Ano nangyayari?
Hindi pa nag-iipan kita. Ikaw, Chats ko yung Nico, nag-host kayo sa Showtime. Tapos, nag-gown ka pa. Ang pangit lang ng gown kasi sako yung sa loob. Tapos, sako dito. Tapos, may ganun na color pink. Sako na, yung brown pa. Sako dito. Tapos, dito color pink, yung pang Pilipiniana.
Ayoko nun.
Sabi ko, baduy. Tapos, saya-saya niya daw nun. Tapos ako, pumunta daw ako sa roller coaster mag-isa, nabaliw mo. Hindi na roller coaster. Pag mag-roller coaster tayo, bantay ka, sakay ka talaga.
Doon tayo sa sa
Ayoko!
car.
Yeah! Ay, sige, pero mag-roller coaster tayo.
Yung yung sinabi nila.
Face your fears. Pero, ang sarap
Yung
sumigaw.
airplane, oh my
Sarap
gosh.
sumigaw nga.
Hindi kami nag-try ng paragliding. Anong experience?
Ay, ang ganda. Kasi hindi siya nung, ang pinakatakutan ko yung nag-Disney kami, yung ganun. Kasi parang lumawala yung kaluluwa ko. Kasi yung paragliding, soft. Wala kang lumilipad. Nakakainis. Diba yung mabilis naman yung airplane. Yung paragliding, mababali ka talaga sa tuwa. Kasi ikaw yung nasa harapan, ikaw yung lumilipad. Una, di ba, may kotse dito. Tapos ito yung balloon. Tapos hanggang kita kayo, hanggang sa street na kayo. Tapos akala mo, meron pang ganun. Tapos may ko na, wala, lumilipad na, wala na. Kinuha na pala yung tali doon punta sa kotse. Lumilipad lang kami. Tapos, ginawa ko paano mag-control ng left. Tsaka, sobrang ganda. Nababaliw ako. Tapos sobrang tagal. Tagal nang nasa, kami tanaw.
We got 2 minutes.
1,000 feet pa naman. 1,000 feet. Sobrang laki. Parang ako nagkalilipay na kayo. Sabi ko sa permanado. Sabi ko, mama. Gana. Suyak talaga. Tapos, pumunta to kami dun sa yung highway na may mga kotse ko na, sir, wag dyan talaga siya. Nakatawalan siya ng tawa. So, talagang wag dyan kasi may truck. Ikot na kasi pababa na. Hindi na ako nag-screen na. Sobrang tuwa po. Talagang, binuksan ko talaga yung mata ko. Hindi ako. Kasi kung gumanon ako patay, sobrang nakakatakot. Pero pag ganun mata ko, tapos, woohoo! mag-enjoy ka, mawala yung takot mo. Kasi nakakatakot mo. Parang mahulog ka. Yan. Kasi ang daming inisip mo, paano kung nabuslot yun. Ganun kaya, kapag nandun ka na sa iganon mo yung...
Parang paniki.
Nagganon ako, tapos pinil ko yung tapos tapos sigaw ko ng sigaw. Tapos hindi lang ako gumanon kasi grabe nakakatakot. Dito mga tao. May mga tao pag... Kasi sigaw ako ng sigaw narinig. Nagtuwa.
Ilan? 2 minutes? Tagal.
Tagal mo. Ang tagal.
Nasaan to?
Hindi.
Mahangin?
Mahangin kasi ano lang yun, balon lang, ganun.
Well, also, he says the guy who was my pilot was different to her. He was telling me about there's like a beeping noise that you hear, and it tells about the altitude and things like that.
You do that?
And we were allowed to fly it ourselves, so it's like if you want to go right, you pull here. Left, pull here, and things like that. And then when I was doing it, the thing starts beeping like quickly. It's like this usually. Beep, beep, beep. And then I started doing it, and I was like beep, beep, beep. And I was like, oh no, beep, 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 beep. I didn't know what I was doing. And it's like, let me take the handles again. There's some turbulence. I was like, oh.
Tinuruan din ako kasi English lang din yun siya. Malaysian.
What if you flip yourself?
Patay na pa.
Hindi mababalong din.
Ang saya.
Lipad pa rin siya. Lipad pa rin siya. Kapag nahulog siya, lipad pa rin siya. Kasi yung balon siya. Tapos may daga na nag-ano din sa kay parachute sa katawan niya. Kasi siya yung parachute. Kapag nahulog siya, tindihan mo ako. Kaya sabi mo, paano yung mahulog ka? Mahulog siya.
Gusto niya.
Sa'yo pa. Meron daga sa...
Gusto niya.
Parachute yung daga.
Ang saya sa Sobil.
What is it? Remember when you were reading the letter? Because Mama didn't know what paragliding was before. Diba? Just like, so I was really excited when I read the task letter, and then Mama was like,
Ano daw?
ano daw?
Ano sabi?
Did you believe me when I said the ano?
Alam mo sa paragliding.
I said, because she didn't know what it was, so I said it was when you jump out of the airplane in the parachute.
Akala ko yun.
Because we talked about it earlier.
Tapos akala ko yun. Siguro siya hindi. Eh, parang ganun pa rin, pero mas maganda siguro. Nakakatakot yun.
Parachute?
Hindi yung... Ano tawag? Aircraft? Ay, ano?
Plane?
The plane that...
Ultralight?
Ultralight tawag niya. Ang ganda siguro nun. I like that. I want to...
Parachuting is... Diba? My friend went. He said you have to be a certain...
Parachute, yun.
He said you have to be a certain age to jump out of an aircraft. You know, like the what was it?
Age?
Oh, you have to be
Ilan
like...
taon?
I think it depends on the country, but
Queen ako.
it's like your heart will go like so quickly. You have the right.
Gusto ko yan.
They have to check your heart first because your heart is gonna be beating really quickly. It's gonna be scary. Yeah. But my neighbor was one of the people in the military who jumped out of the aircraft.
Saya.
Gusto ko ma-experience yan. I want to taste that fears.
I know.
Magagawa ko mo. Kompleto na yung mga